Hey guys, so in an effort to be more organized, I started doing a French cleat system here. So these are fairly lightweight items, so I used 1/2 inch Baltic birch, but for the heavier weight items, I'm going to use a 3/4 inch. And so this has got the Forstner bits for drilling flat holes, auto centering, and this is the obviously for countersinking. So a good thing about this, as opposed to like putting them, you can just take it off the wall.
Ooh.
And bring it over here, do what you need to do. Before, as you can see, I still got some other assorted stuff here. But you can see that, you know, at least it's convenient to take, and obviously as I get more, then I can put another part here, because I have another cleat that's over here, like this here, and you know, that could go in there, and that would have, eventually I'll have enough router bits to merit one specifically for routers. But in the meantime, you know, it's reasonably high density of both these Forstner bits and the rest of the stuff, which was laying all over the place, and it's like, well, where did it go this time?
Let me see you hang that back up.
So yeah, and then it just goes back here on this rail and giddy up.
Nice.
Yeah, so I'll be doing more of them for heavier stuff over there with a 3/4 inch for everything. Tools like this, everything will fit on there. So that's the update.